Hello everyone, my name is Arjun Sani. I am technical engineer at Semco Infratech. Today I am going to tell you about how to charge or discharge the lithium-ion cells or types of lithium-ion cells like cylindrical cells, prismatic cells. Here we are seeing see the machine which are used to charge or discharge the cell, this type of cell, as well as we can charge or discharge the prismatic cell with the help of the other type of machine. By use of this machine we are testing these cells, it is okay or not. We can see the capacity of these cells, how it's like behaving. Also we can see the data per second data in the software also. Okay. Like we are seeing here that this is a software for running the machine, how to run the machine. This is the interface through which we can make the program. Like this is the program. I'm creating a program, program. Okay, here we can see the different parameters how to grade the cell, like CCCV charge, CCD charge. Here CC stands for constant current. We are charging a cell with the help of constant current or as well as constant voltage also. And this is a CCD is used for like for discharge the cell, constant current discharging. Through discharge we see the means actual capacity of the cell by discharging. First, in the first step we charge the cell up to maximum voltage, and in the second step we discharge the cell up to minimum voltage of the cell. In that process we see the actual capacity of the cell. Here we are using different types of process for charge or discharge the cells, like CP is constant power discharge, CC charge is constant current charge. We can give particular constant current charging also, and constant voltage charging also. Here CP charges means constant power charging. Here the variable factor is current and resistor or resistance is a variable factor. Here CCCV discharge, we can also give the process of CCCV discharge. Okay, now I am going to make the process. Here first CCCV charge, like this cell is type of 18650 of rating like 2200 mAh. So by giving I am giving the 0.5C rating, 0.5C value for charge this cell. Like this cell is 2200, so according to 0.5C I am going to give 1.1 ampere, means 1100 milliamps. This is the CV means the cutoff voltage. Through in first step we give the cutoff voltage of maximum level, like the maximum voltage of that cell. This is the NMC type of cell. I am giving 4.2 volt. There is a maximum cutoff voltage. Here we are giving the limit current. Why we are giving the limit current? Like in the CC mode it will charge the cell up to maximum voltage, but the lithium the type of lithium ion cell, it will reach the value 4.2, but after some time it will degrade to 4 volt, 4.1 volt. For making the constant voltage at 4.2, we are giving the CV mode. Through in CV mode what will happen, voltage will constant, but the current value which we are giving 1.1, that will decrease up to current limit, which we are limiting the current up to only 5%. 1.1 of 5%, I am giving 0.2 or 0.3 we can give. Okay, that this is the capacity limit. We can also limit the capacity according to the cell AH. Like I am limiting the capacity to 2200 mAh. Like in AH we can consider 2.2 AH. We can also give the time according to C rating of the time. Like I am giving the 0.5C, means it will take 2 hours for charge and 2 hours for discharge, as well as 2 hours for nominal charge. So I am not giving the here timing because I am giving the limit here, capacity limit. After graded to its maximum capacity, it will automatically cut off. goes to cutoff. Now second step is idle means rest. These are rest time for the machine. We are giving the rest time for the machine. It depends on the machine how much time it will run for. Like if it will run for 24 hours continuously, then we will give 30 minutes. Or like if it will run for 12 hours, for that we are giving the 12 minutes. Like I am only give the demo of that video, so that's why I'm giving only 5 minutes. So here we are seeing the screen. Yeah, I made the program for grading the cell to see the capacity of the cell. First process I've given the CCCV, and second is idle, third is CCT. We are giving 1.1 ampere up to we can discharge the voltage 2.8 volt. That is the minimum voltage for the NMC type of cell. This again we are charging to a nominal voltage, because we cannot left the cell up to minimum voltage. That's why we can charge the cell up to its nominal voltage. Now I am going to give the program. First of all, I am going to load the test. Okay, and start. See, this is the indication that cell is now charging. This light indicates that the cell is charging. Here we also see in the screen also. See, this is the current status of the voltage, how much currently the voltage is present inside the cell. This is the current which we are given 1.1 ampere, 1.1 ampere in every channel. This is the capacity. Here we can see the live capacity of the cell also. See, we can see the capacity of each and every cell, because this machine is 8 channel, so we can test the 8 channel at a time. We also have 512 channel. We can test the 512 channel at a time also. So this is all about the cell tester machine. So this all video is about how to charge the cylindrical type cells. Thanks for watching.